Unit 3. Getting a good night's sleep. Good sleep is needed for good health. During sleep, your body repairs itself. Your immune system is built up. Don't shortchange yourself of the sleep you need. Here are some of an expert's tips for getting a good night's sleep. 1. Make sure your room is dark. Pull down the shades. Let no light of any kind in. 2. Before you go to sleep, ask your family not to turn on the light. Light breaks the sleep rhythm. Once broken, it's hard to get the sleep clock running right. As a result, you will not sleep well. You will wake up tired. 3. A hot bath just before bed is good. It makes you relax. You are at peace. This starts the desire for sleep. 4. During the day, get some exercise. Even a mild program will show good results. How about a good long walk? This will get your body to work. You will find that toward evening, you will get that nice, tired feeling. Sleep then will come easily. Added to this, exercise is good for your health. 5. Here is what to do when you get up. Open the shades or blinds. Let the sun in. Open the windows. Let the fresh air in. This sun and air can get imprinted on your brain. The rhythm of being awake gets started. Your body clock is set for the day. That clock will let you know when it is the right time to go to sleep.